Today, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to fix these cloudy headlights. I mean, look at that. You can barely get any light through there. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. And check this out. When we're done, they're gonna look like that. Now the product we're gonna be using is called Flitz, and we are not affiliated with them in any manner. But what I'll say is that we bought this while we were at the RV show. And this is a 2-pound jug of it. It says it'll do 2,000 square feet, but it came with quite a few things. This here is what the package is that we bought and everything that came with it. So it had the ceramic sealant, 7-inch buffing wheel, a 3-inch ball buffing wheel, 2 1000 grit sanding sponges, 2 Flitz polish mitts, and 6 microfiber cloths, along with the actual Flitz polish. This 2-pound can. So all of this together cost us about $135 at the RV show, and we bought it on the last day, which gave us the best deal. The only other thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Makita 18-volt drill that has 2 speeds. There's 1 on the top and 2. And the reason you have the 2 speeds is because you can go at about 2,000 RPM in 2. So you really need something that's going to be fast, and that way you get the results like that. These are very cloudy headlights, and if I just put some water on here, you can see that it looks like I might be able to clean it off a little, right? But if I use a rag and try to wipe it, I mean, that's really what you're seeing. So I'm gonna show you what we're using to make our headlights look like this. Okay, you don't need a whole lot of things for this, and it comes with everything you need. The 1000 grit sponge, sanding sponge, the buffing wheel, and you're gonna need a bucket or something that you can put water in. So I'm just using the bottom of my collapsible bucket. You don't need that much water. And when you use this, all you're gonna do is start rubbing on here. Now, if you look, you're gonna say, oh wow, so it's really clear already. Well, it's starting to sand, but in reality, that still does not look like that. So even if this just gets wet, all you're doing is you're just wiping off, and the water makes it actually look clear. But if you look up here, you can kind of see that you're not really removing anything yet. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just start sanding off that first layer of plastic, and that's what this 1000 grit is going to do. So I'll show you this. I'm going to go ahead and sand this all down, and as you go, you're going to start to see the cloudy water, and that is taking that cloudiness off of the plastic. And the way you'll see this is if you put this in the water, you can just see what's coming off of that. And that's just the plastic layer coming off. So you're already making your headlight better. But this is 1000 grit, like I said. So let me just finish this up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'll dry it off. Now that I've sanded this down, it already is looking better, but it doesn't look new yet. What I did on the other side was I just put this in a little area, and I did one little area at a time. So I'm gonna do that same thing, and I'm really only using about that much at a time. You don't need a whole lot, just enough, really, just so it covers it, kind of like waxing your car. But this is so you go from a 1,000 grit to this puts a 4,000 grit sanding solution on here now. So, all right, now that I have that all on there, I'm using the 7-inch buffing wheel and variable speed, so I can start out slow, then I can go as fast as I want. So all I'm gonna do is rub this in, and then I'm gonna start buffing it. I'm gonna go slow at first, and then I'm gonna speed up. And almost immediately you can see it's doing what's expected. Now I'm using this buffing wheel because it allows me to get into the crevices, so you can see it gets up in there. Now the other reason I'm only doing a small area instead of the whole thing at once is because I really want to concentrate on the area I'm doing. And if I find if I do the whole area, I kind of hit and miss it. So I really want to do a small area, and then I'll expand and get the bigger area. And I'm wearing glasses, but that's primarily because I can't see. The other reason is that the fabric from this kind of flies off, so this kind of helps protect my eyes too. Okay. Now that's how they should look. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do, and it's not really the last thing, but one of the things I'm gonna do after I buffed it, I'm just gonna wipe that section down and take a look and see what it looks like. And you can see that this is the cloudy part, and here's where I've done already. So, we're not affiliated with them at all, but what an amazing product. It's amazing. I am in awe. Like, it's not that hard to do, and it comes out pretty easily. The main thing is you need a drill. This one has 1 and 2 speeds, so you can hear it slow. Put it on 2, and it's about 2,000 RPMs, and that's what you need in order to do this. So I start out slow, and then I speed it up.
Wow. And it's not hard. I can do that. Holy
it's not really
cow.
hard. And this one is not fully done. As you can see, the back side here is still like dirty. Now granted, there is some dirt here, but that's not the primary cause of what this is. It's really the plastic is old, sunburnt, and we're in Florida, so that to that. And these are the same headlights. So look at that one. Now let's walk over here. Let's look at this one. It's just night and day. I'm only using about this much, but I'm really amazed at, and you only put it wherever you sanded, so you're gonna put it on so that it kind of coats it. I mean, I have a big jug of it, and I probably don't need all that, but I'm just gonna coat it, and I'm not even gonna let it dry. It's Flitz metal plastic fiberglass polish and paint restore. I've never bought anything
That worked.
and actually had it work as it was expected to. And I'm serious about that. You buy things and you just think that they're gonna work, but a lot of times they don't, and then you're disappointed. We did spend, I don't remember, I think we only spent like $75 on this. And it came with the buffing pads. And
It was more.
was it more? Was it more? Was it more? I don't know.
A little over 100.
Yes, and it came with the buffing pads, 2 buffing pads, some microfiber things, and it came with this 2-pound jug of polish that I haven't even used what's on the top of the lid. So
You mean you used what was on the lid?
I haven't even used all of it that's on the lid. Basically, you want to rub this in, is what they said, and then you start polishing it. This is kind of go slow at first and then speed up from there. So. Basically, you're just going to wipe it back off to get whatever dust is still on there, but it's not really dust from the plastic, it's dust from the fiber of the buffing wheel. Almost look like brand new. That's amazing. All right, so I was pretty impressed with the product. This stuff is called Flitz, and I will tell you what, these headlights, I don't think they've looked like this since we bought it. They were even cloudy when we told the dealer about, hey, maybe you should shine these up. But we found this product at the RV Super Show here in Tampa. It was a little expensive in my opinion, but I mean, for those kinds of results, I'm very happy with the product. So leave a comment. If you need to know more about the product, I'm going to try and get a link, and I'll put a link in the comments as well. Again, it's called Flitz, and you can probably do a quick search for it. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time.
Thanks for watching. God bless and safe travels.